Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ERBB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several... Whoops, let's try that again. While this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. That once again look pretty goofy after the big monster stay today. At one point, these lines were all relevant, but at this point, yes, they still pertain to the chart, but not really relevant. So I'm going to start off doing some house cleaning now. Again, yeah, these levels pertain, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to create a bunch of clutter and confusion with 8 million lines all over the place, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So we're just going to kind of start back over again from scratch. So the current and what I would call ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above that point right there at 0037, that's going to definitely make the chart look by far the strongest. But if the price does drop below there, by no means am I sitting here saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. Again, that's just the ideal level that would make the chart look the most attractive. Next level of support after that, if it cannot hold right down there at 0033. And then from an overall perspective, in terms of just kind of trend and, strength of the move, keep an eye on that purple line right there. That is the 50-period simple moving average. Really, the easiest way to look at that is as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. The bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. So that's definitely, but again, that is for, the big picture perspective. Obviously, if you're a day trader and you bought right here, you don't really care, what's going on with that because that's so far below. But again, from the big picture perspective, using that 50-period simple moving average is really kind of the most straightforward way to judge everything. Now for the fun stuff, where are some potential areas of resistance at? Shorter term area of resistance, and I'm sure if you're watching level 2s today, then you notice that whenever the price got right up around this 0044 region, just bulls couldn't quite push through it. Here they technically got above it for a short amount of time before falling back above or below it, and then right here got rejected directly at that mark. So 0.0044 going to be that initial area of resistance. After that, I think we're going to have to go to the daily time frame here, which is a good problem to have. So just an absolutely monster day today. So after 0044, while we're going way back on the chart's history, let's see. Let's try that again. So next area, I'm going to call it right there at that point, and that sits at 005. So 0044, 005, next two key levels of resistance, but no doubt about it, another very nice day today. And as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher lows like it's been doing, chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.